To your mum, not you.
Hello, this is our Easter special, and we're eating
Yum yums.
cold cupcakes with Easter eggs.
Oh yeah, and I'm the brown one that always talks and makes him laugh.
He's Michael, I'm Brad.
Yeah.
And this is episode 2. Let's get eating.
Ooh. I bit off the Easter egg. I bit off the Easter egg.
I'm trying to eat it.
You can eat it.
Ah.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, Bradley's a stupid hurt.
Okay, I'll surrender.
I win. You lose. It is obvious now that I almost choked on my Easter egg now.
Are you still on that damn Easter egg?
I've officially won every eating idiots so far. Bye.
That's only 2 episodes.
Yeah, so far, you idiot.
Okay, this is the end. So, subscribe on that little button up there. And comment down there.
What little button? Where?
Okay.